ukuthi afika azenze samntwana
Yes.
akunikeze ithembe ngathi ukhulele ube nayo yonke into ube nawo wonke ama signs o nausea ubona isisu sikhula njalo uthi uyafika kuthiwe cha
my fibroids iyenzeka ke naleyo nto ke kuyenzeka ukuthi kwenzeke so mina ke it was ayisamancane ke vele ke but ke kushuthi babeyitshela ukuthi ke ablockekile ke ablock ama tubes ami ke so ngihambe ke ngempela ngiyohlinzwa udokotela kodwa asegcine sithi ke futhi yazi abengamakhulu kangako abengamakhulu kangako uzaza block ima tubes so kwaba naloko futhi ukuthi okay kwaba saba confused ukuthi hayi kanti what is the situation kanti kwangenelela uNkulunkulu at that point.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the congratulations messages are pouring in for Dr. Ziphozenkosi and her husband, the gospel singer Dumi Mkokstad. They haven't shared the good news guys with the public, but people keeps on dropping those congratulation comments abanye saying unani uzoba nosisi noma ubhutomncane. In one of the interviews with Ukhozi FM, Dr. Ziphozenkosi once mentioned ukuthi waba nama challenges ukuthi abe nengane because of ama fibroids base ukuthi ke o doctor base beya remove lama fibroids lawo then waseyakwazi ukuthi athole unani who just turned 1 year this year ngo March and now guys they have another blessing coming on their way. You can just see guys ama videos ka Dr. Ziphozenkosi ukuthi there is a bun in the oven. Congratulations to this man guys, we wish them all the best. They're actually one of my favorite power couple la eMzansi. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and let's celebrate with them. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back.